Today, we're going to break down a really unusual case. It's about an implant infection after a pretty severe forearm fracture.
Okay, so our story begins with a severe crush injury. We're talking a Gastillo type 3C open fracture here. The damage was extensive, major bone loss, plus hits to the arteries and nerves. A real surgical challenge.
So the surgical team went in, stabilized the bone with a plate, and used a fibula graft to bridge the gap. At first, everything looked good, but then, 3 months post-op, things took a turn for the worse. He developed a draining sinus right over the implant. That's a huge red flag for infection and nonunion. So the big question was, what's causing this? The team had a real medical mystery on their hands. So they went back in, they debrided the wound, and, took a bunch of samples for the lab to analyze.
And here's where it gets interesting. The lab results came back, and the same bug grew from everywhere.
The culprit? Escherichia hermannii, a super rare bacterium and a total first for this type of fracture case.
And get this, the patient was immunocompetent. Usually, this bug only hits folks with weaker immune systems.
Well, the plot thickens. This bug was resistant to a lot of the usual go-to antibiotics.
So, standard empirical therapy was just off the table. They needed a precision strike, guided by those culture results.
The game plan? A 2-phase antibiotic assault. 1 week of IV meropenem, then 11 weeks of oral Cipro.
Now here's a key decision. They decided to keep the hardware in, banking on the washout and antibiotics alone.
And the result? After 12 weeks of targeted therapy, the infection was gone, and his arm function was excellent.
So what's the big takeaway here? You have to think about these rare pathogens, and you let the lab guide your treatment.
This case is a perfect reminder to always keep a high index of suspicion for unusual bugs in stubborn infections. It really makes you think, doesn't it? How many other routine infections are caused by something we're not even looking for?